Our future began with our past. That history is what we want to preserve and pass on to our children so that they will understand and create their future. Today we will be discussing the removal of graffiti from the bakery walls at the Sacred Heart Mission. Constructed of native sandstone, the cornerstone for the bakery is dated in 1881. Surviving the fire in 1901, the bakery structure is decaying now in part by the actions of vandals rather than time. During my initial visit, Father Adrian and Christian gave me a tour of the property, including the bakery. By the end of the tour, I had decided to help clean up the walls of the bakery. Over the next few weeks, speaking with Christian, we figured out a date, paint color, supplies, and an event was created to find volunteers. On December 3, 2022, with the help of volunteers from ghost towns in Oklahoma, we sanded down the walls, removed the graffiti, and painted the walls of the lower floor in the bakery. With the help of 2 kerosene heaters, we were able to bring the temperature in the main room to above 50 degrees so that the paint would dry correctly. Over the next few hours, we sanded the walls, removed most of the graffiti, cleaned off bird nests, and painted all of the walls. At the end of the day, with the help of the volunteers, we had a piece of Oklahoma history that was well on its way to being restored once again.